All black, all business, and packed with professional-grade performance hardware. This well-kept, low-mileage Syclone backs a turbocharged V6 with factory all-wheel drive and a tuned sport suspension. And if you're an enlightening enthusiast who errs on the side of utilitarian, it's an incredible pickup that doubles as an incredible classic. GM set the automotive marketplace on its ear with the curveball known as the 1991 Syclone. But unfortunately, the corporation's own bureaucracy killed a world-beating truck almost as fast as it hit dealerships, limiting production to 2,995 units. This Syclone's wet-looking coat of Code 19 black highlights solid sheet metal. The vertical panels center straight surfaces and even gaps, showing no signs of damage. And topped by factory-correct trim, the finish on those is every bit as glossy as it is deep. Inside this awesome street bruiser, you'll find a gray and black interior that's virtually spotless. Red piped factory buckets are cushy and comfortable. Factory spec Pontiac source gauges inhabit a blocky dash that's finished with requisite Delco audio, and GM branded floor mats frame a small console and a simple factory shifter. Under the hood is a 4.3-liter GM V6 that's fitted with a Mitsubishi turbocharger to create 280 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That power gets to all four corners through a 4-speed auto and board-warner transfer case. Nobody scoffs at GMC Syclone and Typhoon. Thanks to their professional-grade DNA and an ability to whip pretty much any street challenger, the trucks get big respect and much admiration. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.